how to fix Google reviews not showing up publicly. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Google reviews not showing up publicly. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So the first step that you'll need to do is open up your Google, locate your Google Chrome, open it up. After you're here, tap on the three dots on the top right. Head over to settings. On your settings, you will need to head over to your privacy and security. From here, head over to delete browsing data and select your cookies and site data. If you want, you can also remove your cached images and files. Then tap on delete data. We are doing this to remove any caches that are causing the Google to glitch. After that, if your Google reviews still don't show up publicly, and if you're a business, what you can do is you can ask the customer for a screenshot. After you ask it for a screenshot, go back to Google, search for Google Business, search for Google Business Support. After you tap on that, head over to Google Business Profile Help, and you will simply need to report this. So if you scroll down, you can find an option to contact them. After you tap on contact us, you can then start by telling us what you can help, what you want the help with. So here you can type in Google reviews not showing up, tap on next, and there you can see review missing. Select that, then tap on next step. After you do that, you can then read through all of these. You'll need to make sure that your reviews have been approved, but still not, it's still not showing up. You'll also need to review the guidelines of Google's to make sure that the review does not contain any inappropriate content, spam, or promotional links, which violates the guidelines. And after that, tap on next step. And finally, you can contact them through an email. Tap on email. So type in your name, your email address, your phone number, and the business name, business address, and everything, and just fill this in, and then finally tap on submit. After you submit it, Google will look at it and they will help you regain your reviews. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.